Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix always on display not working on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if it not let us, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system, reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.